Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Saturday School Learning Management System, Class 3, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 9, Patterns, Unit number 3, and I'm your teacher Amber Akal. Subtopic. Today our subtopic is even and odd number patterns. Learning outcome. At the end of the topic, students will be able to identify the number patterns having odd and even numbers. These are number patterns having odd and even numbers. Numbers have an alternating even, odd pattern. So what are even numbers? Even numbers are numbers that can be grouped into pairs. Here these are 10 counters. These are even number because the counters are paired up. Here 6 benches paired up. Now odd numbers. Odd numbers cannot be grouped into pairs. So there are 7 counters. 7 counters cannot be grouped into pairs, and 3 balloons cannot be grouped into pairs. So here are some facts about the odd numbers. The first odd number is 1, and we get the sum of 1 plus 1 is equals 2. And we get the pattern 1 by 1 is equals to 1. So first two odd number is 1 and 3. If we get the sum of 1 and 3, we get 4. If we find the number patterns of 4, 2 multiplied by 4, 2 is 4. First three odd number is 1, 3, 5, and we get the sum of these first three numbers, so we get 9. And if we find the pattern of 9, so 3 by 3 is equals 9. First four odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. If we find the sum of these first four odd numbers, we get 16. And for number pattern, we can multiply 4 by 4, we get 16. First five odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And if we get the sum of these odd numbers, we find the sum is 25. And the number pattern is 5 multiplied by 5 is equals 25. Rules for when you add, subtract or multiply even and odd numbers. Adding even and odd numbers. Even plus even is equals even number. 8 plus 2 are even numbers. If we get the sum, we can get even number. Even plus odd is equals to odd number. 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. So odd plus odd is equals even. 7 plus 3 is 10. If we subtracting even and odd numbers, so we find that if we subtract even an even number, we get an even number. If we subtract even odd from even number, we get odd number. If we subtract odd from odd number, we get even number. Multiplying even and odd numbers. If can multiply two even numbers, we get even numbers. If we multiply even and odd number together, we get even number. If we multiply two odd numbers, we get an odd number. So this is your practice time. Can you do it? Select 3 balls and put them into the circles below such that the sum of the numbers should be 30. Here some balls are given: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Can you give the answer? Okay. Let me tell you that how can we find the 30 number. This is an impossible to find to find the sum of three odd number and get the even number. So there is need to add one even number. So the answer is 13 plus 11 plus 6 is equals 30. Okay, then tell me, even plus even is what? Even plus odd is what? Odd plus odd is what? I hope you can do it by yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Good luck.